the Bee Explorer Lite. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're gonna look at the Bee Explorer Lite electric bike. Here's a look at how the bike comes in when it's delivered. It's packaged well with a lot of foam and plastic protecting it. Assembly is required and the user guide walks you through it. Inside, it comes with a charger, user guide, tools, and pedals. So here's the bike fully assembled. The assembly process is pretty straightforward. Basically, you have to install the handlebars, install the front light, the fender, attach the front wheel, install the pedals, install the rear rack, and then the lights, and also attach the seat. Going over some specs, this comes in 3 colors, orange, red, and white. It has an aluminum alloy frame, 750 watt rear hub motor, 1100 watt peak power with 88 Newton meters of torque, 48 volt 21 amp hour lithium battery, 82 mile range, 28 mile per hour top speed, 24 by 4 inch all-terrain fat tires, 5 pedal assist levels and twist throttle, Shimano 7-speed, colored LCD display, hydraulic disc brakes, front and rear lights and fenders. It weighs in at 76 pounds and has a max load of 350 pounds. I walked around the bike, you'll see that the front has a front light, front suspension, front fender, 24 by 4 inch tires, and hydraulic disc brakes. Towards the middle and the back, you have the battery keyhole, the battery, rear suspension, kickstand, hydraulic disc brakes, rear fender, rear light, and rear rack. On the other side, you can see the 750 watt rear motor and the 7-speed cassette. The handlebar area, you have the controls, brake levers, LCD display, gear shifter, and twist throttle. To power up the bike, make sure the power button is on by the battery here, so you just want to push that in. Once you have that on, just press the M button, and that will turn on the display. You can see it's a nice bright colored display. Pressing the mode button again will toggle from odometer to trip, and then pressing the up button will cycle through the pedal assist. There's 5 levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pressing the down button will cycle the pedal assist level down. Holding the up button for a few seconds will activate the front light, and it will also activate the rear light. You also have the turn signals on the left, so you have your left and right turn signal, and then you also have an electronic horn. So I have the left turn signal on right now, and you can see it here. Holding down the down button for a few seconds will activate the walk assist feature. Now I'll show some footage of the bike in use. I'll test it out on rough terrain, show the different pedal assist levels, throttle, test the brakes, see how it does uphill, downhill, and then give my thoughts. Alright, now on to the rough terrain test. I'm going to take it down this trail. It's pretty bumpy and there's some gravel on the side. The bike does have the front suspensions with the lockout feature, but currently I have it off, so the suspension should go to work. It has the rear suspensions and it also has the fat tires. So I'm pretty confident that this is just gonna do it with ease. All right, here we go, rough terrain test. All right, so far so good. It's absorbing the bumps really well. Onto the gravel here. Now for the speed test, the bike does have the pedal assist mode. It has 5 levels and it also has the twist throttle. So I'm going to start off with the pedal assist. We'll start off with pedal assist 1 and work our way up and see how fast each level goes. And then after that, we'll just use the twist throttle. All right, here we go. Speed test with the pedal assist. This is on pedal assist 1 right now. All right, about 5 miles per hour. Moving to pedal assist 2, you can feel the pickup there. Hitting about 10 miles per hour. Onto 3. Made a nice jump to 17. 4. Now we're picking up some speed. We're at 22. And 5. So we hit about 32 miles per hour on pedal assist 5. Okay, so with the pedal assist, we hit 32 miles per hour. Now I'm just going to use a twist throttle. Let's see how fast it can go. All right, speed test with the twist throttle. It's got some good pickup with the acceleration. The motor is a little bit noisy once it starts to accelerate, but it does level off. And we're up to 29 right now, 30. 30.8. So 32. Looks like we had 32 there. It's about 32 miles per hour with that twist throttle. Now I'll test out the brakes. I'll take it to max speed, and once I come into view, I'll hit the brakes and you can use the parking lines as reference. Onto the uphill test. I'm going to take it up this road. It has a nice gradual incline. Let's see if it maintains the speed, if it loses speed, and how it does. After that, we'll do the downhill test. All right, here we go. Uphill test. And we saw with the speed test, we hit about 32 miles per hour. Okay, here we go. Uphill test. We're going to begin the climb. It looks like at about 29 miles per hour. So it's just powering through here. The motor is very powerful. It's doing it with ease here. Losing a little bit of speed down to 27, but not much. A little bit of a downhill into the turn here. So with the uphill test, it did very well. The motor was powerful. We began the climb at about 29 miles per hour. Just lost a little bit of speed down to 27.7 roughly, but it just powered through and it did it with ease. Now onto the downhill test. Let's see how it handles. And I'll probably have to slow it down as we approach that midpoint area down there. Now the bike feels very stable. The steering feels stable. I don't hear any rattles or vibrations. Very smooth. So into the turn here, I'm just gonna let it glide. Nice and stable. Giving it more power here. We're about 29 miles per hour. Again, it just handled that with ease. Very smooth here. We're at 32 now. Here are my thoughts on the bike. The assembly process was straightforward and the user manual walks you through the process. I didn't run into any issues. The paint is a gloss orange finish and it looks very sharp. There were no imperfections during the shipping process. I like that it comes with the lights, rack, and fenders. The bike feels solid and well put together. It's easier to get on and off since these have the 24x4-inch tires. The cables are well organized and are ran through the frame. The saddle is soft and very comfortable, and I had no issues during longer rides. The handlebars are good length and are angled back. Steering felt stable and tight. There were no rattles or vibrations. It handled the rough surfaces very well. The front and rear suspensions along with the fat tires absorbed a lot of the bumps. The 750 watt motor, 1100 watt peak was strong and it had a good amount of torque. It was able to handle the inclines with minimal speed loss and maintain about 27 miles per hour. With pedal assist and with the twist throttle, I reached 32 miles per hour. This has an advertised max speed of 28 miles per hour and a range of up to 80 miles. But this will depend on the throttle usage, pedal assist level, weight, and environment you're in. The hydraulic brakes were strong and it had good stopping power. The color display is large and intuitive, easy to navigate, but it does get washed out a bit on bright sunny days. Overall, I feel the bike performed. This is a solid bike that can handle various terrain. It has plenty of power as well. So that is my review of the Bee Explorer Lite electric bike. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.